Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to add admin on Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. Step 1, you have to launch your Facebook application and tap on the three lines at the top right corner. What you're going to do here is you have to switch from your main account to your Facebook page. Tap on the page and then tap on switch. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is switching to your Facebook page. Now here is your Facebook page, and what you're going to do is you have to tap on the three lines and then you have to look for the gear icon. So tap on this gear icon right here, scroll down. Under settings and privacy, you have to look for page setup. So tap on page setup, and then under page setup, you have to look for page access. And then here under page access, what you're going to do next is you have to tap on add new beside a Facebook access or people with Facebook access. Tap add new here. And then what you're going to do next is you have to tap on the next button. You can read the following instruction here and information. Now on the search bar, what you're going to do is you have to look for the name of that person you want to give access to your page. For example, I want to give access to Andrea. You can see the following information, and then here you have to toggle this one on in order for you to give the full access or to make this person an admin to your Facebook page. So basically that's it. You have to enter your password to make sure that you're the one who's making some changes. And then Andrea just need to accept this invitation, and it has limited time. So you have to notify this person that you want him or her to be your admin on this Facebook page. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.